What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about YIROO hair, and honestly I've been wearing this hair for a while now. It is their Brazilian body wave hair. I'm going to have all the details listed below. But yeah, a lot of you guys have been requesting how I get really tight curls on my Instagram, so I'm going to be showing you guys today. I actually use a straightener. I've never really been a fan of curlers, so yeah, I've always just used my straightener. I never really liked how wand curls come out, but as you guys can see, you can get really tight curls when you use a straightener. You just want to make sure that you're taking smaller sections if you're trying to get the look that I usually do. So yeah, I'm making sure that when I go down my curls, I'm going very, very slow, especially when I get towards the end, because that's when it tends to get a little looser. So when you're going towards the end, you want to make sure that you're going very, very slow with your curls. One thing I do want to say about this hair, you guys, is that it is very, very soft. I've been wearing this hair for about, I want to say a week. Yeah, I've been wearing this hair for a while, and the texture has not changed at all. Usually when I wear weave, I can start to feel the oil build up and I can start to feel all of that stuff, but I don't feel that with this hair, so yeah, I really, really like that about it. I'm always having to blow on the straightener because it always gets way too hot in my hands and it always really hurts. I don't know why, sometimes my hair just be getting stuck in my straightener, but those be the best curls. Like the ones I really gotta fight for, those really be the best curls. So when I get towards the front, I'm making sure that I'm curling these curls back towards my face. You don't want them flipping out because then it's just not gonna flow, and you really want to give your curls a pattern that flows, and just like, so if the wind hits you, it's just all together. If like you want to brush them, all the curls will fall together, and I kind of just like my curls like falling next to my face, but like falling backwards, if you guys know what I mean. So as you guys can see, I'm flipping the straightener away from my face for you guys who maybe didn't understand what I was talking about. Right now I'm probably texting who knows who. I'm always texting somebody. Feeling myself. Okay, so now I am taking the straightener and doing the same thing to the other side. I always have a little bit more trouble curling this side, but yeah, I mean, I get it done, but for some reason, this side is just always so much harder. And any curls you feel like aren't tight enough, you can always go back over and do. And you really want to make sure you're doing your hair in sections so that you can target it. So now that I'm getting towards my bang, I'm really making sure that I kind of pull it in front of my face so that I can really, really get like that curly swoop bang that I like, that like frames your face. I think that this is a very like sexy look. You could wear this to like prom, you could wear this to homecoming, any like going out event. You really just, if you shape your face, it just looks really, really nice and looks really, really professional. So I always flip my hair over, and I missed a piece, so I'm redoing it, but I always flip my hair over and just shake it a little bit because you don't want your curls to be too tight. And then I run my fingers through my hair as well. You want the tight curls, but you also want the volume. You feel me? So yeah, you guys, this is my finished look. Just still to tangle in it, making sure it looks how I want it to look. And yeah, I hairspray my hair a little bit, get the frizzies away. I hate those, but it always happens. And then I run my fingers through again, making sure that everything is sticking. And like I said, you guys, this hair is YIROO hair. If you guys want to go pick it up below, it straightens very well. And as you guys can see, it curls very well too and looks very, very pretty. So if you're new to my channel, of course, like and subscribe and turn on my post notifications. And I'll be back with more videos, you guys. We out.